Hey guys, Robin Dempsey here with the Holli McCray Home Marketing Group. I hope you guys are enjoying this beautiful day. I am out here at 149 Glenshire Lane in Lenoir City today. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath property. It actually boasts a bonus room as well as a finished basement. There is a gorgeous outdoor porch that they just finished with composite decking, and this home has just a ton to offer. Open floor plan, hardwood floors. I cannot wait to show it to you. Let's go check it out. As we walk in, we enter an open floor plan with a very large living room, gas fireplace. On the opposite side of the entryway, you can see a formal dining room, chair rail, wood blinds everywhere, finishes galore. The staircase is right as you walk in, and the high ceilings give everything a nice open feel. And as we go through this hallway, there's a small bathroom, and then we have our beautiful kitchen. Nice, beautiful hardwood floors everywhere. Out the back door, we have a beautiful less than a year-old composite deck that the owners have done. Fenced-in yard. As we come up the stairs to the right, we have our master, which is very large. We've got beautiful tray ceilings, which leads us then into our master bath, which features a jacuzzi tub, walk-in shower, dual vanity, and of course, his and hers closets. As we exit the master bedroom, you can see all of the additional spaces. Here is our first bathroom, updated flooring. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. At the end of the hallway, you will find updated flooring and a nice large laundry room. And then, of course, our bonus room. Loads of storage. And coming back down the steps, we have got a finished basement with loads to offer. Here is an additional living space, storage, or home gym. And this is what would be considered our 4th bedroom, which the current owners are using as an office. Off of this 4th bedroom, we have got an additional garage for mowers, storage, man cave, tools, workshop, you name it. Beer fridge does not convey. And just outside of that garage, you have got your fenced-in yard. There's a fire pit. Gorgeous stepping. Really have not wasted any expense. And that's a wrap for 149 Glenshire out here in Lenoir City. If you or anyone you know would like to see this property, please contact me directly at 865-306-3052, or feel free to reach out to our office. It's 865-291-0355. Have a great day, guys.